So hey guys, what's up? It's Arjit here and welcome back again in another video of my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do factory data reset in any Samsung phone perfectly without any data lost. So watch this video carefully without any skipping, because if you skip, you may miss some important steps. So now without wasting any further time, let's get started. So as you can see guys, here it's my Samsung Galaxy A70s and I want to reset this phone. So now quickly unlock it and go on settings. So after going on settings, you have to go on the option about phone section, then simply scroll up and here you can see reset option. Okay, just okay, so just reset it by clicking here, and there are a lot of options here: reset setting, reset network setting, reset accessibility settings, reset factory data reset, and auto restart. If you want to do factory reset the whole phone, you have to click on this option. If you are enjoying this video, then a sub to the channel will be pretty much helpful for me. So what are you waiting for? Just click here and subscribe for free and make the red button gray. Otherwise, if you want to do reset only network settings or accessibility settings, you have to click on these and these options, that is second and third options respectively. So here I want to do total factory data resetting. So now click on this and click on the reset, and let me enter my password again. It is asking for. So this is all about it, and here confirmation is here. All your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and cannot be recovered. Data that has been backed up to the SD card won't be erased. You can restore SD card data using Smart Switch after the reset. So do carefully. Okay guys, because if your phone has some important documents or informations or some datas, so make sure that you back up those carefully, and after that delete all. Just click on it and resetting will be started. I don't have any important documents here because I just transferred all this to this phone in which I'm shooting this video. So just delete all. Okay guys, as you can see, it resetting. So let's wait for some time and see what's going to happen. So as you can see guys, it's erasing. The Samsung logo is here. So let's just wait for some time until it resets completely. I am resetting because I'm selling this phone. I don't need it. It's extra for me now. That's why I'm resetting it. And not sure why one dog is barking outside. You may get the noise here, isn't it? But anyway, let's focus on our job, our work. And it is resetting and taking quite a while time. Okay. Oh my goodness, it is taking too much time. Not sure guys why it is taking too much time, but anyway, it is taking. I am pausing this video now, and after some time I will resume it when it resets completely. Otherwise the video will be so long. And guys, quick update after 15 minutes. Not sure why, but this resetting process is taking too much time. Let's wait for some time more. So guys, after 5 minutes again, finally it is starting the Android. As you can see guys, hopefully it can start it very soon. And yes, finally it is here. It is done finally. So hopefully guys you enjoyed this video, and that's all for this. If you enjoyed this, then like, share, comment, subscribe, and also follow me now on Instagram as well as Twitter. Link is given in the description below. And also, if you want, you can join me on my Facebook group. Links of all of my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter will be provided to you in the description. Don't forget to check that out, and catch you soon again in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.